We'd especially like to thank Sam and Annie Cater, who've been treating us like royalty since we got here a few days ago, feeding us and filling us full of wine and everything else, and just great company and really relaxing few days with them, and it's always good to catch up with them, and it's great to be welcomed into their home so warmly and so generously. So thank you, Sam, and thank you, Annie. We do some fantastic work here in Portland promoting Irish music, dance and culture, and we're extremely grateful and extremely proud of all the work they're doing. You know now what to do at Christmas time if you want to have an Irish Christmas. Be careful what kind of holly you bring into the house. It's jinxed. Be careful what you do on the 6th of January. Again, it's kind of jinxed. You might want to make your plans now and book into a golf course or something. And you know how to make a plum pudding and set it on fire and really just fill your belly on Christmas Day. We're going to be posting that recipe up on our website as well. But we've had a great night. Tonight's the first night of our tour. It's a month-long tour, and the first night is here in Portland. And there's a lovely saying in Irish, "Tusma lana hydra," which means a good start is half the job done. And we certainly feel like the welcome you gave us here in Portland tonight has made our job much easier for the next month. So thank you all. We've been listening to Tommy Martin on the yellow pipes, bouzouki and whistles. Let's hear it for Gráinne Hanley from Mayo on the harp. If you cheer really loudly, you might see some more fancy footwork from Brian Cunningham. Let's hear it for the one and only Seamus Begley from County Kerry. And our fiddle maestro and the show's producer, let's hear it for Oisin McDiarmid, all the way from Sligo.
And let's not forget Mr. Tristan Rosenstock, all the way from Dublin. Thank you, Tristan.
And some wonderful images we've gotten from folklore commissions, from music archives, and from a bandmate of ours who's a great photographer, Damien Stenson. So let's hear it for Damien. One more round of applause for all the lighting and sound technicians who did a great job here in the Hollywood Theatre. And everyone here, all of you safe home, thanks a million, happy holidays, Nona Connor.
We'll see you all in the Woman Sixpence afterwards. Thank you very much, good night.